Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to redeem Spotify gift card. So for this, you need to go for in this gear option. Then scroll down at the bottom. Then you can see here is the support option. Click on it. And now you have to search here gift card. Here it is. Now scroll down again. Now you can see here is the spotify.com redeem. So click on it. And now you have to enter your gift card number here. Okay. After that, when you are done, go for in this I am not a robot option, and when you are done, go for in this continue. So when you are continue it, then you can see a redeem gift card button. Then you have to just click on it and you can redeem your Spotify gift card. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.